All right, I am here with the owners. I'm here at TinHorn Flats in Burbank. And hi, what's your name and tell us what are you doing here?
My name is Lucas Apagian and I'm joining in on the rally against tyranny on my own restaurant. As you can see, they fenced it up earlier this morning because they didn't want the public or even me to enter my own business and sell $12 cheeseburgers and $5 beers on my 50-person patio because they thought I was killing tremendous amounts of people, even though we have 0 confirmed cases.
Unbelievable. What's your name again? I'm sorry.
Lucas Apagian.
Okay, and you own this place, and what happened exactly?
It's my father's.
Your father's, yeah, but it's your family.
It's my family's
yeah.
business.
What happened? What happened? How did that start?
So we reopened back up in right after Thanksgiving, and then every single day the city and Los Angeles County would come and they'd be citing us, and then eventually they turned off they took the city of Burbank took out our conditional use permit and health permit from Los Angeles County, but we still continued to operate. And then when very difficult times came, when the judge ordered to turn off our electricity, and that being said, with the much help from all the supporters, I wouldn't even been able to get this far. I was able to be donated and borrow some generators, lights, lamps, tools, just whatever I needed to keep operating, even skills and just overall their time. None of these people they're all here because they believe in what we're doing. So that being said, I was able to use generators for quite a while. And then the next phase was physically locking my doors and chaining it up and all that nonsense. So I was able to get the tools, cut them off, completely damaging my property and stuff, and then removing them. And then it came to the next phase where I was getting arrested. I got arrested 2 nights in a row for just plainly operating my business. The court, what I'm getting charged with is disobeying the restraining order the city has on me.
Restraining order for what?
From entering my own business. I mean, I've never heard of anything like that in my life, nor of the lawyers. And then the third time I got arrested was for removing the sandbags. There's some sandbags in front of the door. I just moved about 20 sandbags, and then next thing you know, I'm in the back of a cop car again.
So, do you and your dad still own the building though?
I'm the non-legal co-owner.
Okay, I'm doing an interview. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, but you've been talking the whole time. I got a question for him. Waiting.
Yeah.
You've been talking the whole time you got here.
Okay.
So, hey, so pretty much you're gonna be like that. I'm gonna be like that. Pretty much we want to